I am so excited to show you these today. These are wireless, battery-operated wall sconces. And I've got one already installed behind me. But let me show you. You get, in this set, you get 2 of these lights. And you're going to mount this. All right, so included with that, you've got 2 options. You can do this sticky mounting, or you can do the bracket and the screws, and all the hardware and the sticky mounting is included. You also then get the rechargeable battery. You get the charger and the battery, and that battery is going to go right in here. You're going to hang this up. You're going to slide this in. Slide that in. Locks in, and then when you go to recharge it, all you need to do is pull that out, and then you recharge this piece right here. And then you do get the light bulb here and the shade, as you can see. You get light bulb and shade. Once you mount this up, you're going to take off this ring, put this on there. You're going to screw this little ring there to the bottom, put the light bulb in, and then you're ready to go. There is a power button on the side. You can use this to turn on and off. And then if you also hold it, that will dim and brighten the bulb as well. And you have the remote control. You've got 5 different colors here. From warm to cool. Then you've got 5 levels of brightness. Dimming down, on, off. And then right here, you'll see there's these little timer buttons. Those are if you want to time it, maybe use this as a night light or whatnot. But just remote, super easy to use with these lights. So I love that. So let me install the other one and I'll show you the finished product. All right, well, here is the finished product. And as you can see, this does come with 2 remotes, or you can use the same remote to do both of them, but just really awesome. I think they look amazing. You just point the remote at the one you want to use, and there you go. They look absolutely beautiful.